We finna drop this motherfucking new shit we got called Body Bag, you know what I'm saying? Shit, me and JB, you know what I'm talking about? Shit, we gonna do this shit. I'm finna double code this bitch. I already dropped it one time, finna double code. These niggas on the block, they think they fucking bad. Go fuck around and they gon' end up in a body bag. Body bag. Body bag. Body bag. Body bag. These niggas on the block, they think they fucking bad. Go fuck around and they gon' end up in a body bag. Body bag. Body bag. Body bag. Body bag. Got on the double code this shit. Now I'm finna let y'all hear this shit. Still gotta do this shit again. These niggas on the block, they think they fucking bad. Don't fuck around and they gon' end up in a body bag. Body bag. Body bag. Body bag. Body bag. These niggas on the block, they think they fucking bad. Don't fuck around and they gon' end up in a body bag. Body bag. Body bag. Body bag. Body bag. Yeah, I do this shit good. Body bag. Body bag, body bag, body bag. Yeah, I gotta do it one more time, man. Shit, I don't do this shit so we can rock these verses. Body bag, body bag. Hey. You have motherfucking headphones, nigga. Get out on Jeff again, as usual, around them motherfuckers.
Man, forget you, bro.
These niggas on the block, they think they fucking bad. Gon' fuck around and they gon' end up in a body bag. Body bag. Body bag. Body bag. Body bag. You gotta be official if you're doing this motherfucking shit. This nigga holding a record of fucking up. 41 times.
Man, y'all don't listen to this man, bro. That nigga laugh like a motherfucker, bro.
41 times, man. I'm talking about old motherfucking bird like this. He'll rap. Fuck it up 41 times in a row, man.
It wasn't that many times, man. But shit, I was getting it right, man. You hear me? That shit professional hit, bro. Shit. Fuck.
Man, drop your shit.
That nigga missed that beat.
I'm thinking about you, nigga.
That man, so he thinking about me, bro.
Shit, I'm like, that shit was playing so fucking good. Now I know what sounds good, nigga. Yeah, talk like the same one, you know what I'm talking about? These niggas on the block, they think they fucking bad. Go fuck around and they gon' end up in a body bag. Body bag. Body bag. Body bag. Body bag. These niggas on the block, they think they fucking bad. Go fuck around and they gon' end up in a body bag.
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 You gotta hold this motherfucker, boy. I can hold this shit. Nigga in that motherfucker, you already know, in the studios, and nigga glock. You know what I'm talking about, nigga? We finna do this shit. And nigga who hatin', I don't give a fuck. Nigga, fuck you, nigga. I don't give a fuck if we went back to motherfucking elementary. You know what I'm talking about? Beef, nigga. We still got beef now. There's some niggas out here still got beef with me from way back. But I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm still for the ball. Me and my nigga JB, we finna do this shit. Free my nigga Lil Donnie, you know what I'm saying? My motherfucking blood brother. Free my motherfucking thug brother, you know what I'm saying? Dante, you know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Lil Tay, you know what I'm talking about? Free my nigga Peter, free my nigga Eric, you know what I'm saying? Shit, but you know, niggas,
family, man.
Niggas already know what it is, bro. You already know, man. Free the whole motherfucking family. Don't forget about Boots either, man. He in that motherfucker too. Yeah. My niggas see murder, shit. Mac, all them niggas, you know what I'm talking about? Niggas that's locked up, you know, down with that rap shit and live that shit to the fullest. Money or not, nigga, they still doing that shit. That's about what they was talking about. For real though, nigga, know what it's all about. But me, I'm trying to do this thing another way with a positive mind, you know what I'm saying? Try to change the game with this shit. I ain't got to follow behind the next motherfucker. I'm Lil Wayne, you know what I'm saying? I'm Lil Boots, nah, on me. I'm doing this shit. The shit on my mind, that what I'm motherfucking getting y'all in my rhyme. The shit on my motherfucking mind, the shit that I want to accomplish. You know what I'm saying? I might not have the shit now, but I want it. That's why I rap about it. I ain't no nigga who standing on motherfucking pen and paper. Yeah. Y'all heard that nigga, man. Respect this word or go to fucking hell. Niggas ain't showing love around this bitch. Fuck you. Can't trust nobody around this motherfucker, man. We doing it big down here in Mississippi, nigga. We ain't gotta travel all over. We gonna have this shit big right here in Jackson, Mississippi, nigga. Yeah. You already know what it is. Damn. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucking meetings, they be gonna do this shit, nigga. I don't give a fuck what time it is, nigga. We gonna be up all night doing this shit. I been going with motherfucker around like this here for down there 20 years. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know what they gotta do with it, but shit, still, I'm on camera and shit. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Real shit, nigga, I'm talking about. We any motherfucker blowing, nigga, we rhyming. Don't give a fuck. You know what I'm talking about, nigga? It's real shit. Hey, you found out where that next hook come in, man? Yeah, about that, man. Third. I'm gonna put it down. Lay the next hook down here, everybody. Yeah, that bill hooked up again. That nigga feeling that shit, y'all. You ready, man? You think the hook somewhere till you hear that motherfucking verse. Got 1 minute remaining. These niggas out here. Damn. Oh, let me see the number one more time. See that nigga can't even hold this shit. This brain blowing that boy. That motherfucker blowing. These niggas on the block, they think they fucking bad, gon' fuck around and they gon' win up in a body bag. Body bag. Body bag. Body bag. Body bag. These niggas on the block, they think they fucking bad, gon' fuck around and they gon' win up in a body bag. Body bag. Body bag.